Does that really make sense to be like, I'm going to be bearish no matter what takes place in price? No, I mean, it is not very logical in my opinion. So step one is going to be define the areas and why. In the example we're going over right now, which was right here, you can see that um, we define this as a balanced area, and if broken, like closed below, it will lead to price going to at least here. The idea was that if price was to break above here, then it was likely to go here. And did price do that? Yep, it sure did. So now that little example we were just like talking over, we said if price goes above here, we're bullish, and below here, bearish. If you had a short bias here, you would not be able to catch this trade. You would be thinking price is continuing lower. All right, we are now 50 points higher. You can barely tell where we originally had the above and below